Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Do you love to work out listening to music, but you're always worried that you're going to lose your earbud? I really love these Powerbeats Pro earbuds. These are my husband's pair, and he has them in the black. I think they are nice and sleek in that color. I have them in a different color, and they are my go-to when I am teaching online fitness classes because I know for a certainty that these are not going to fall out of my ear, and it's also really amazing Beats quality. So what makes these so unique for an earbud is that they have this hook that goes behind your ear. I find that to be so incredibly comfortable, and look how easy it is to put them on. You just slide that behind your ear and then boop, you slide it right on. They look nice and sleek in this black color, and that earpiece, that silicone kind of feeling piece, just sits comfortably behind your ear. So it's got that extra security. There is no way that these are going to go anywhere. I find these to be incredibly comfortable. It must be something about that design that goes around the ear. It's not so invasive into your actual ear. So if your ears are sensitive, this might be a nice option for you to have that hook going along the back of your ear. My very favorite feature about these is the fact that they have an actual physical button that I can press to lower or raise the volume. So if I'm wearing these while I'm teaching, or if I'm wearing them on a run, I don't have to stop and pull my phone out. I don't have to stop and reach for my device. I just press that actual button that I can feel click, and it's going to adjust the volume. And then the front of the earbud as well has that power button, so you can take or end a call or pause whatever you're listening to. If you're looking for a comfy alternative for earbuds, I highly recommend checking out these, but that's just my point of view.